My specialty in the electrical engineering department is basically in charge of the robotics program. We have a focus area in robotics and AI, and I am in charge. We did a project when the COVID hits where we built a UV robot basically for sanitation. The target was to send this to a hospital nearby, so Elanga was one of our main targets. We've also worked on projects which are mainly for schools, like to teach high schools. One of them was a robot to basically be able to shoot basketball in a hoop, but we are also doing drones research where students learn to program a drone to do what they want the drone to do, right? The drone has to follow commands, the drone can follow certain directions, and the drone should also be able to avoid obstacles like we see in everyday life. So you can also use robot in automation. So automation, basically using this in our industry to automate processes. Basically, it makes it more efficient, and we get good products, right? And basically at a reduced cost, right? Because robots can do this in 1,000,000 times, and you need a lot of human manpower to do that. So that's one area. So our graduates are really in demand. Okay, electrical engineering is one of the highest paid based on the research which was done by the College of Engineering. Just a new graduate earns around 80,000 fresh, okay, out of college, and they are one of the highest paid. A master's student gets something around $90,000 in that range. But our graduates almost have a job by the time they finish. So it's a very hot area, and if you have the interest in this area, I think that's right for you. Basically, if they find what excites them, we have a space in the robotics curriculum for them to pursue, right? My students have the flexibility to choose the areas that they want to work in. So it's not like you come in and you have to take A, B, C, D courses and graduate. No, you have the flexibility to basically have your own path, okay, with the guidance from the professors and me. So the students have that flexibility to be able to grow in what they are really passionate about.